Through history, humans have used metals for different applications: tools, weapons, containers, jewelry, accessories, etc., worship or artistic expressions. Bronze is one of the first alloys dating back to the Bronze Age in Europe 2300 to 600 BC. Bronze objects can show different types of patina formation, depending on the environment of exposure and/or potential artist patinations. Outdoor bronze monuments are covered with different types of patina or corrosion products, depending on the selection of chemicals by artists to achieve specific hues or composition of the rainwater to which they are exposed. The corrosion of bronze can efficiently be identified by different types of portable equipment or by characterization of samples using advanced laboratory microscopes. The Tartini statue, for example, shows high contents of green copper chlorides due to the vicinity of the Adriatic Sea. Higher amounts of green copper sulfates can be found at the surface of the Mary's Pillar or Presheran monument that are placed in Ljubljana, while lower amounts of copper sulfates were found for 4 courageous men that are located in the Alpine village Bohinj. Characterization of corrosion is of a great importance for development of efficient protection systems.